After conducting surveillance for a period of time, officers approached the front door. The passenger from the traffic stop 2 days prior opened the front door.
Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
Doing good, man. How are you? You remember us from yesterday or the other day, dude?
Yeah, I'm good.
Where's
No weapon gun?
Where's Andrew at? You don't prove us. Is he here?
We're gonna be checking.
Hey, is he here? Yes or no? Yeah.
Take a seat.
Where's he at?
What am I
Hey, Sarge, Primary's here.
Hey, show me your hands right now. He punched out the window. Show me your hands, dude.
I got it.
Show me your hands.
I got something.
He's saying he has a gun. What do you have? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Sam 13, Mill's inside. He's advising he has something, not making it clear what he has. He said he's loading it.
Hey, get it back. Get it back.
Sam 10, I'm arrival.
Item 21, I have eyes on him. He just pulled something from his waistband. It's a black, looks like a black handgun, right hand.
Okay.
Where are you guys at?
Hey, Andrew! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
Sam 14, we have him in the south side. He's definitely in the car.
Andrew!
Hey, we don't want to hurt you, bro. Just come out and make contact with us. Hey, is there anything I can say or do to get you to peacefully surrender, bro? This isn't worth it. It really isn't. Why is that? Talk to me.
Yeah. He's leg bowing westbound.
Garcia continued to attempt to break through the perimeter, but ultimately returned to the original home where he had been hiding.
See your hands! Let me see your hands! He's in the car, he's in the car! Let me see your car, let me see your hands! Fuck, he's gonna away. Let me see your hands, bro! Let me see your hands!
Hey, got come back.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
I got you right there. Directly shots fired. TC'd into one of the residents.
For more than 15 minutes, Garcia drove through multiple yards, causing significant property damage. Officers reported seeing Garcia point a gun in their direction as he drove through the properties. This photo was taken by a law enforcement drone. At one point, Garcia stopped, exited the vehicle, and pointed what appeared to be a gun into the air. A replica firearm was located near Garcia's vehicle.